Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with you FeeqAzmir, where we share the latest engineering information, student tips and also motivational content. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video very interesting. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how can you make online classes interesting so that you are able to enjoy your online classes without feeling bored, apathy or emptiness, because I understand that during this pandemic crisis, many students feel that their online classes are very boring and very dull. So we are going to talk about on how are we going to make that and turn them into an interesting subject to learn. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing is engagement. So what does it mean by engagement? Engagement is one of a process that you participate in active activities. It means that you are not passive. As we all know that online classes is an activity that is passive. So we do not want that. We want engagement. So how are we going to get this engagement? The first thing first, if you want to get engagement, you have to ask questions in class. For example, if you do not know something of that particular subject, it is best that you ask questions. I see that some students, they do not like to ask questions because they fear that they would get scolded, or they fear that it is going to disturb the class. Actually, it's not working like that. If you ask questions, it means that you really are eager to know about that subject. Okay, when you are eager to know about that subject, it benefits you really greatly. Okay, compared to when you do not ask questions. Okay, in class, you ask your friend. Okay, this is a normal situation. Okay, when students don't like to ask questions in class because of fear, they would like to ask questions with their friends. And sometimes their friends are not that intelligent. Okay, sometimes our friends would give answers that are wrong. They would give answers that are not accurate or correct, and this itself makes a problem for both of the people, because one does not understand and the other is not giving an accurate answer. Okay, and this is a big problem. So in order for you to get rid of these things, it is best for you to ask questions. When you actually have two engagement between two people, it makes the class very interesting. For example, you have a partner. Okay, you always are the one who tell about your stories, who share interesting things, but the other person is not doing anything, is just listening. Would that make the relationship bonded? Would that make the relationship more interesting? Of course it's not, because it's one-sided. You are the one who's always talking, but the other is like, oh, okay. So it's not really balanced there. So similarly in online classes, you have to be active. The lecturer have to talk, and the responsibility of the student is to ask, is to engage, is to make things interesting, because you wouldn't have interesting relationship without the tolerance of both people. So these both people plays a major role, and that is why sometimes our online classes are dull or not interesting, because it is really one-sided thing. So it really makes sense why our online classes is sometimes very passive, because we only seek to listen, but we do not seek to question, we do not seek to understand better. Okay, this is why it is very crucial. Okay, the second thing is expressing whatever you learn in class in your WhatsApp stories or Instagram stories. The logical reason behind this is because if you are able to express whatever you learn in class in your story, it means that you understand. So here, you are actually testing yourself. You are testing your knowledge on how much really I understand the subject. And that is one thing. Another thing is that when you really start a story in your WhatsApp or Instagram, people from other courses would read your stories, correct? So when they read your stories, they might be eager to ask you questions because they want to know more. It doesn't matter if your friend is from law school or medical school, they would want to know what actually you learn. Okay, this really opens an open-ended discussion on the subject you are learning. And what is the benefit from this? Well, the benefits of this is actually your friend gets to know what you are learning. On the other hand, you are actually improving your understanding on the subject. Maybe your friend is asking something like, what is child psychology that you mean in this story? And you kind of go and Google and research more on that particular subject so that you are able to express your understanding to your friend. So it's actually a two-sided benefit. It's a mutual benefit. You get the benefit and also your friend get the benefit. So in that way, you are actually teaching yourself and also teaching your friend. So that is it, guys. So if you have any comments or suggestions on how you can also make online classes interesting, let me know in the comments. What do you think about online class and how really can we make online classes interesting? I know that this is based on my opinions. Maybe you guys have other amazing opinions or ideas that you guys want to share. So don't forget to leave down comments below. And before you end this video, don't forget to check my other two videos here. Alright, if you in case need more exposure on learning and online classes, yeah, I've made these two videos for you to benefit, okay, people out there, yeah, understand the difficulties of being a student. So I made these two videos for you. So yeah, I hope I would see you in the next future video and have a nice day and goodbye.